Hi guys, Irina here and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Today, let's open the box with the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it in silver. Maybe it's kind of boring, but I've never had an iPhone in silver before, so I thought, why not go with silver this time? So let's get right to the unboxing. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in silver. Honestly, it looks so much better than I expected, and yes, the size of the camera lenses is something I'm still not used to. For reference, this is the 12 Pro Max versus 13 Pro Max. Other than that, we have pretty much the same design with stainless steel frame and matte glass back. In the box, we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, then we have a SIM tool, some papers, and of course, a sticker. Speaking of cases, I got two, one in blue and one in pink, and let's open them and take a closer look. This color is called Blue Jay. Let's put it on the phone. Looks really nice. And let's open another one. This color is called Chalk Pink. And yes, it's very subtle. Let's put it on the phone. Beautiful. The 13 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch OLED display, just like on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but this time around we get a brighter display than the one on the 12 Pro Max, and also, finally, this phone supports 120Hz refresh rate, which feels so overdue, but still, yay! As you can see, the 13 Pro Max has a smaller notch, just like the whole iPhone 13 lineup, and that was actually surprising for me. Speaking of the camera setup, we have a new triple camera here with 3 new lenses. The new main camera has a larger sensor and a larger aperture now. The telephoto camera has the new 77mm lens with 3 times optical zoom, and the ultra-wide camera also has a larger aperture, which should help us take better ultra-wide photos in low light. Also, on the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, you can take macro shots, and now all 3 cameras have the night mode, including the telephoto camera, which I'm personally super excited about since I use the telephoto camera a lot. Just like on the iPhone 13, of course, we get the same new features on the iPhone 13 Pro. The new cinematic mode that would make the background look blurred and let you shift focus in your videos. Then we get the latest Smart HDR4 and also the feature that is called photographic styles. It actually reminds me of filters, but the good thing is that it preserves skin tones. And finally, there is the ProRes video recording feature that will be available on the iPhone 13 Pro later. And let me show you some of the photos and videos I've taken with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Speaking of the battery life, Apple claims that the 13 Pro Max will last 2.5 hours longer than the 12 Pro Max, and I always welcome all the improvements in the battery section, so I cannot wait to test it out. But for now, let's do a quick charging test and see how long it takes to fully charge the iPhone 13 Pro Max, since this year we got a bigger battery on this phone. Hope it's not gonna take forever. And I'm gonna use this 20-watt charger from Apple. So in 30 minutes we get 42%. In 1 hour we get 80%. 96% after 1.5 hours. And finally, it takes 1 hour and 41 minutes to charge the iPhone 13 Pro Max from 0% to 100. Not too bad, but I hope next year we'll see something new in terms of charging technology. The starting price for the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the US is $1099, same price as the 12 Pro Max last year. Keep in mind that the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max were discontinued, but you could still get them from some retailers. That's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review of this phone, as well as the real-world camera comparison videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!